Hi guys, welcome back to Latest Tech. In this video, I'll use few minutes to show you how you can add reset, unlock or factory reset the Infinix Hot 6X. But before I do that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you will stay updated each time we drop a new content like this. So back to our topic on how to add resets in Infinix Hot 6X. The first thing you have to do in order to add resets, unlock or factory resets the Hot 6X of the Infinix brand. The first thing you have to do is to power off the device. Press and hold the power key in order to shut down the device. Shut it down completely. Wait for a few seconds for the device to completely shut down. After it might have shut down, as you can see on your screen, the next thing you have to do is to press the volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. The power up key and the volume up key for a few seconds. Press them together. Volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. Volume up key and the power key together for a few seconds. You have to release the power key and continue to hold the volume up key when you see the Infinix logo, just like what just displayed some moments ago. So this is the no command menu. How can you exit the no command menu? If you check out this channel, Latest Tech, you will see that we had, and in the past videos, I unveiled to you the procedure in order to exit the no command when you meet one on any Android device. But this is another video and we are here to help. So in order to exit the no command menu on your Android phone, in order to move to the next stage of at resetting your device, all you have to do is to press and hold your volume up key and tap the power key to exit the no command. Press and hold the volume up key and tap the power key. You can as well press and hold the power key for a few seconds and then tap the volume up key to exit the no command. Press and hold the power key and tap the volume up key. So that is what we just did to exit the no command. You press and hold the power key for a few seconds and then you tap the volume up key to exit the no command. So here we are in the recovery menu, which will help you to add reset, unlock and factory reset your Hot 6X of the Infinix. So when you are here, use your down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. The next thing you have to do is to click on your select button, which is your power key. Press your power key to select wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your volume down key to move to yes. When you are at yes, press your power key again to start the add resetting process. This resetting process will take just few seconds to complete, and the password, pattern, pin, face lock, fingerprints you add in your device will all disappear, all thanks to this method. Carefully take your time to watch this video. If you don't understand, you can start from afresh. Don't forget that you have to subscribe to this channel, Latest Tech, in order to stay updated with our future videos. Don't forget that you can as well drop your comments in this video under the video comments section in case you have any question. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. But in the meantime, check out our next video that we will play in few seconds.